In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Chrome bookmarks and settings into Brave. Let's start by opening the Brave browser. If this is your very first time launching Brave, you may see a prompt offering to import your settings right away. If you do, that's the quickest path. If you don't see it, no problem. We'll access the same tool from the menu so you can run the import anytime. Look to the top right corner of Brave for the menu icon, which may appear as 3 lines or 3 dots. Click it, then navigate to Bookmarks, and select Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens Brave's import window, which is designed to pull in your data from other browsers without you needing to manually export or handle files. At the top of this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled From. Open it and choose Google Chrome. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, like separate profiles for work and personal, select the specific profile you want to import from. Picking the right profile ensures you bring over the correct set of bookmarks, history, and saved information. Next, you'll choose exactly what to import. You'll see checkboxes for bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, extensions, and payment methods. Bookmarks will transfer your saved sites and folders, including your bookmarks bar. Browsing history brings your recently visited pages so you don't lose your trail. Saved passwords will move your stored logins into Brave's password manager. Depending on your system, you might be asked to authorize this transfer for security. Extensions refers to your add-ons from Chrome. Brave is built on Chromium, so most extensions are compatible, but note that some extension settings may need to be set up again. Payment methods refers to saved cards and autofill info, which can help with forms and checkouts. Check only what you want. You're in control of your data. Once you've made your selections, click the Import button. Brave will process everything and provide a quick confirmation when it's done. If your bookmarks bar doesn't appear immediately, you can toggle it on in Brave's settings later, but your bookmarks should already be available in the Bookmark Manager. You'll find your browsing history under the History menu and your passwords in the Password section of Settings. That's it. You've moved your essentials from Chrome into Brave. This keeps your workflow intact and saves you from starting over. If something looks missing, you can rerun the import and adjust your selections. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new setup in Brave.